In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Shopify store link quickly and easily. This step-by-step guide will show you how to access your Shopify account and find the right link to share with your customers, friends, or on social media. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Shopify account and navigate to the home page of your store. This is where all the magic begins. Familiarize yourself with this area if you're not already comfortable, because it serves as your command center where you can access various elements of your store and make necessary changes. When you're on the home page, you're set to move on to the next step. Now direct your attention to the lower left corner of the Shopify homepage where you'll find a button marked Settings. Clicking this is like opening the door to all of your store's behind the scenes options. The settings menu in Shopify is comprehensive, covering everything from general store information to more detailed technical settings. Once you've accessed the settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left hand side. For the purpose of sharing your store link, you'll want to navigate to Domains. Selecting this option will take you to the section where all the domains associated with your Shopify store are managed. It's important to know your way around this area, as your domain is vital for your store's online presence. Upon clicking Domains, you'll see a list or just one item, which is the current domain associated with your store. Clicking on this will bring you to a page dedicated to viewing and potentially editing your domain details. Understanding your domain settings can help in troubleshooting any issues that might arise with how your store URL appears or functions. Now that you're on the domain page, your goal is to copy the link. Typically, you'll see your domain displayed at the top. It's a good rule of thumb to double check this to ensure it's correct, as this is the URL you'll be sharing. Once you're certain that you've got the correct URL, highlight the text and use your keyboard shortcut to copy it. On most systems, this is done by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. And there you have it, you've successfully copied your Shopify store link, ready to be shared wherever you choose. Whether you're pasting it into a social media post or sending it directly to a friend or a customer, keeping your link easily accessible can save time and effort. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to give your site some love by sharing it widely and driving more traffic to your store. See you next time with more helpful tips and guides for managing your Shopify store effectively.